Homberg reaction is used for preparation of vinyl. If benzene disonium chloride, which on with the benzene in the presence of sodium hydroxide, we get vinyl. In this reaction, N2 going to eliminate and the HCl will be formed. Let's see the reaction. This is the disonium chloride. Diazonium chloride or benzene disonium chloride is treated with benzene. So benzene molecule in the presence of sodium hydroxide, NaOH. We get biphenyl. So in this reaction, this nitrogen is going to eliminate and HCl will be formed. This chlorine, this hydrogen bond formation between together H plus Cl minus HCl. This is we get as a byproduct. Because we know that chlorine valence is 7, hydrogen valence is 1. So here chlorine needed 1 electron. It becomes attained stability or octet rule. So in this reaction, chlorine and hydrogen going to form as a HCl and N2 going to eliminate. Here, rest of we have only 2 phenyl group. These 2 phenyl group will be connected. So we get biphenyl. Biphenyl. Because we have 2 phenyl group. Bi means 2. Bi means 2. Is called biphenyl.